Hey, Tamika here, and I'm so excited for you to get your hands on my Get Fit calendar. It's headed to your email inbox right now, but real quick, let me tell you what it all entails so that way you are ready once you get it printed out. Okay, so this front page is just gonna tell you a little bit about myself and why I created this. And then we're gonna go ahead and get prepped. So the first thing that you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take before pictures and before measurements. And then I've created a little tracker sheet for you here, so that way you can keep track of it. You know, your right arm, chest, waist, butt, right thigh, left thigh, and then your weight here. So, you know, week 1, you're gonna put your starting here every Sunday, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then your final. And then you'll be able to do some math and subtract and see, you know, how many inches did you lose? How much weight are you down from just doing this 30-day program, okay? So when you're taking photos, make sure that the area is well lit, that you've got the camera straight on, that you're wearing, you know, some tight fitted clothes, maybe a swimming suit or just some sports bra, you know, and you wanna make sure that you take a picture in the front, the side, the other side, and the back. The more pictures, the better, because then that way you can really compare and see the results that you're getting, okay? Then as far as measurements go, we just get this little fabric tape measure from our local fabric store, and it makes it super easy to measure the different parts of your body that you need to. Now, the last thing on this page is for you to write what your top 3 goals are. Is it weight loss? Is it inch loss? Is it just eating healthier? Is it sticking to something for 30 full days? Is it working out 2 to 3 times a week? What are your goals that you're setting for yourself? So that way, come the end of this 30-day program, you're gonna know whether you were successful or not. So go ahead and be very specific on what your goals are here, okay? Now, the second page, I guess the third page, is gonna just tell you a little bit about the benefits of exercising. These exercise workouts that I created can be modified according to your fitness level. And so, you know, you've got to make sure that you tailor it to what you need. But down here, you're going to be able to calculate your resting heart rate. And then as you're working out, you can do the math and figure out what your heart rate is at any time. And then you can see whether you're in the warm up, whether you're in the low intensity, the target heart rate zone, or the high intensity zone. And you can kind of use this as a guide to see where you're at when you're working out. Now, the next page is going to talk all about eating healthy. And I use an app called MyFitnessPal, which I love to help track my macros, my calories, all that stuff. So if you actually just click here on the PDF, you're going to be able to be taken to a separate site where it'll calculate your macros for you. And then you can download MyFitnessPal and you can set it up. So then that way you can make sure that you're staying under your calories and you're trying to hit those macros. So that way you are eating what you need to be eating on a daily basis. Now, I'm not giving you guys a specific diet to follow. You get to do what's best for you, but at least this way it keeps your calories in check and making sure that you're getting your carbs, your fats, and your proteins, okay? And so be sure to fill this out. And then we get to the fun stuff. Let's get fit. So this is what I've created for you. You've got a whole bunch of different healthy recipes here. So if you just click it straight on the PDF, it's gonna tell you the ingredients you need and the directions to follow. Here you've got your 4 workouts that we're gonna rotate through. And if you want to, you're welcome to, you know, add in some yoga, some Zumba. Maybe you like to go for a walk or a jog. You know, feel free to add in any extra workouts that you enjoy. But these ones are benchmark workouts that you can make sure that you're getting better each time. You know, your time is gonna get better. You're going to get more reps, anything like that. I love to track so that way you can see that you're getting stronger and better. And then there's also a spot for you to warm up with me. If you just click right there, you'll be able to go to my private YouTube link and do a warm up with me, okay? Because it's really important that we get our muscles warm before we start working out. I listed 15 affirmations here. I think that mindset is everything and loving yourself where you're at. So read these aloud daily. You know, when you print it out, you can cut it out, you can put it on the wall, you can put it on your mirror, someplace that you're going to be able to read it on a daily basis. Okay. Now, the last thing that's in here is your Get Fit calendar. Okay. And on this Get Fit calendar, each day has a box that looks like this, where you're going to be able to fill in your workout that you're doing, whether you're doing a workout that I've given you, whether you're going for a walk, or maybe it's your rest day, you're going to fill that in. And then around the dinner plate, you're gonna fill in what recipe you're having, and that could be one of the recipes that I provided for you, or maybe you're having leftover night, or maybe you're having pizza night, you know? And then down here, drinking water is crucial. So there's 10 8-ounce glasses of water. Make it a goal to try and hit 80 ounces of water a day, and you're crossing it off each time you drink your glass. I love accountability. I love being able to check things off and say, I did it. So on your calendar here, you're just gonna go ahead, and whether you wanna fill it out for the whole month or whether you wanna go for a week at a time, you're gonna fill out your workouts, what you're eating, and then as you're drinking your water. And then every Sunday, you're gonna go back to your tracker sheet, you're gonna get your measurements, and you are gonna make sure that every week you are filling out your tracker sheet and following your progress. So super simple. I'm excited. This is a program that I personally use that has worked amazing as far as holding me accountable, making me excited, and just a fun way to really track your progress. So that's step one. Fill out the guide, get yourself all planned and ready to go. Step two, you guys, is get your hands on my Get Fit pack. Hey, I have been using these products for over 5 years, and I absolutely love them. I'm drinking my Super Reds right now, which are basically my drinkable vitamins. They come in a canister like this with a scoop, and you just mix it and drink it. I love them. Even my kids love them. And some people will actually even mix their Reds with their Hydrate. And Hydrate is my gym buddy. So as you're working out, you're gonna be sweating, you're gonna need to replenish your body. And so this has 6 different electrolytes in it. It also has calcium, magnesium, which helps me with cramping. And then just helps you stay well hydrated. So it just comes in 30 individual packs just like this. And like I said, if you want to, you can even mix it in with your Super Reds and have Hydrate and Super Reds together while you're working out, after you work out, for lunch. It's just a really, really good thing to help keep you hydrated and your body getting the vitamins and nutrients that it needs. Now I've got 3 supplements here that have been game changer for me, and how I take them is when I wake up in the morning with breakfast, I take 2 Thermophyte X and 2 Confianza. The Thermophyte X is a metabolism booster, so it's gonna help you feel more energized, it's gonna help you burn fat. So 2 of these every morning. And I take 2 Confianza, which helps me naturally relieve stress. If you're stressed, maybe you're overeating, maybe you are just eating the bad foods because you're stressed out, and then your body can't naturally release the hormones that it needs to. So this deals with physical, emotional, and environmental stress. It's all natural. So I take 2 of these in the morning with my Thermophyte X, and it is like energy, but also a chill pill, and it is incredible. So these 2 together in the morning, and then when I go to bed at night, I take myself a probiotic, and this works on your whole digestive tract. It has a prebiotic and a probiotic in it, over 100 billion live cultures, and it's going to target and make your digestive tract healthy, which is what you need if you're really trying to lose weight, but also it's gonna help protect you against sickness, because there's nothing worse than when you're trying to be healthy and then you get sick. And so it's going to help, really boost your immune system and give you your digestive tract the health that it needs. So probiotic at night, 1 before I go to bed. And this is my Get Fit pack that I recommend everybody gets. And I actually am leaving a link for you guys that's going to get you my 40% off distributor discount. So I'm excited to be able to give that for you. So that's step 2, get your hands on this pack. And then step 3 is make sure that you're following me on my Facebook page and inviting your friends. We're actually going to be going live and doing these workouts with you. We're going to have private workout sessions as well. And, more healthy recipes, more workout hacks, more mindset, relationship, finance, all of the things that's just going to help you become your best self. So make sure that you stay connected, that you like my page and invite your friends to do the same thing. And I will see you in your email inbox.